Hashtag Micro Dwarf 2526. There's still time to get in on the collaboration. Let's do this. Okay, shout out to Carol at Broke But Bountifully Blessed. These two started about, I think, 4 or 5 weeks ago. These are the micro tomatoes she sent me for the hashtag Micro Dwarf 2526 collaboration videos. These are probably 10, 11 inches tall now. Look how bushy they are. And if you look close enough, I'm already starting to see some buds happening. So that's very interesting. That's what I assume are buds. Let me get these out of the way because we have some other stuff going on here. It's not just these plants and how good they're doing. I planted those, a week ago? Micro tomato. Again, that's from Carol at Broke But Bountifully Blessed. And I have a second one of hers that has sprouted, as you can tell. The third one is behind a little bit, but I can look down in there. You can't see it, but it is sprouting down in there. So I just think I put the seed down deeper. So I will get these labeled up, and these will say, this side will be micro tomatoes. In the meantime, what I'm doing is I'm going to plant right now 3 more micro tomato plants in my hydroponic system for the hashtag Micro Dwarf 2526. Here we go. So everything is still the same. These have been soaking for about a half an hour. The seeds have been soaking for a couple of hours in warm water. So I'm placing my seed pod inside the seed cage. Just like that. Seed cage, seed pod. There's 2. And a third. Seed cage, seed pod, number 3. Again, this is for hashtag Micro Dwarf 2526. Now what I'm going to do is let me grab the seeds. I don't know if you can see that or not, but there's the one seed. I will put that down in there. I'm just going to get them at the top right now, and then I will poke them down in a little bit in a second. This last one's putting up a fight. It's like, come on now. All right. Sometimes you just gotta resort to using your hands. So there's the last seed. I still have 2 more in the package, but I'm going to try to plant those in just plain dirt. I'm going to poke the seeds down in a little bit. Oop, that one popped out. Boom. It's in a little further. That down in a little further. Further. Okay. So what that does is that gives me 2 here that are really doing well, 3 that are growing, and 3 that are just planted. So I'll have 8 micro dwarf plants at different phases. I'm assuming these are going to catch up. I'm going to have more than enough tomatoes. Once these start producing, I'll see how much they produce, and then some will go over to my son and maybe to my daughter. We shall see. So they're planted. Then I'm just taking my little caps. These form like a little greenhouse effect. I will put those here and here. And I can't find my other caps right now, but I do have the cap that goes over the watering hole. That fits okay, like that. And then I'm going to write here, tomatoes. Boom, boom. Now I have everything labeled. I have my micro tomatoes here, my micro dwarf tomatoes here. And then I have 2 pimento plants that are starting. and 2 asparagus seeds in there. I'm not going to plant anything here just yet. I'm going to let this go and see what happens. So with that said, there you go. If you want to join the Micro Dwarf, hashtag Micro Dwarf 2526, you can just hit that hashtag, go find Carol at Broke but Bountifully Blessed, attach her in it, attach the hashtag, and she can get you all set up. So here we go. Everybody have a great day.